It's a pleasure having you once again. Okay, today we'll be looking straight into some ED words with a T sound. Words that have ED at the end, but they have the T sound. Some ED words with a T sound. We have cooked, cooked, past tense of cook. You don't say cooked. It is not cooked. It is cooked. Okay? He cooked rice last night. He cooked rice last night. After cooked, I have cracked. 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 Don't say cracked. It is not cracked. It is cracked. Next, I have brushed. Have you brushed your teeth? Next, I have dressed. Dressed. Okay, I have looked. And I underlined letter ed. Okay, would you say looked because it ends with a d? No. The sound from the ed is a T sound. If I have option A and B, that you should give me the word with the correct sound. The A, T-A-B-L-E, and the option B, I have D-R-Y, dry, okay? Option A, table. Option B, dry. Out of the two options, which has the correct sound from the underlined letter ED? Always pay attention to the second to the last syllable. Okay, from that you would know if the sound coming from the ed is a T or a D sound. All right, so looked to. So you go for the word with a T sound, which is table. He escaped from the building after committing theft. Escaped, caped, not escaped. Okay, I have cooked, I have cracked. Cracked. Don't read it as cracked. Never read it as cracked. Okay? I have brushed. I have dressed. Dressed, not dressed. Okay? He dressed beautifully. Alright? Next, I have fixed. He has a fixed account. He has a fixed account. Fixed. Next, finished. He just finished making breakfast. He just finished the assignment. He just finished the task. Finished. Next, I have kissed. The kissed romantically in the movie. The kissed romantically in the movie. Okay? Kissed. Next, I have laughed. He laughed so hard. He laughed out so hard. He laughed, laughed. Don't say laughed. It's not d. It has a T sound at the end. Next, I have stopped. Stopped. He stopped as soon as he got to the station. Stopped. You don't read it as stopped. It is now stopped. It has a T sound at the end. Stopped, stopped, up, stopped. Next, I have talked, talked. He talked carelessly at the meeting. He talked carelessly at the meeting without even considering the people on seat. He talked carelessly, rudely. He talked arrogantly. Okay, talked. I have mixed, mixed, mixed. He mixed the flour with the sugar, the egg. He needed. That's why you don't say needed. He needed to bake a cake. Okay, so that's for mixed. Lastly, on my list I have smoked. He smoked fish for the vegetable soup. Vegetable. Smoked fish, Titus fish. Smoked Titus fish for the vegetable soup. Okay. First on my list, I have cooked, cracked, crushed, brushed, dressed, escaped, fixed, finished, joked, kissed, loved, stuffed, tucked, mixed, looked, and lastly, smoked. These are some of the thousands words. We have thousands of it. Okay? So help yourself get better. Speak rightly, speak correctly, help your children. Speak smart. I am Mrs. Michael. Visit Felicia M. Michael YouTube channel for daily class video. Do not just visit. Also, like, subscribe, invite people, comment, and follow. Catch. I love you.